Hello friends, good morning. Today I want to say about the MS Swaminathan, who was the father of Green Revolution of India. As you already know that MS Swaminathan died yesterday in Chennai, and I also read this news in YouTube, and today I read in the Hindu paper, and I was heartbroken when I listened this news because the person contributed well in the green revolutions, and because of that person we are today so much happy and we are not facing of any problems of lack of grains. So this was the contribution of that man, and I really appreciate and salute that man who really did well for the work of the for the welfare of the nation. Friends, generally in our society it happens that we don't have the value whatever we have, and we only get the value of some things when we pass through that problems, and we really face problems, and then we try to identify that this is our problems, and we should be much more concerned about this and try to solve these problems, and we really understand the values of that things. For example, till in our life we have never faced any problems of hungry, and till now we have seen that there was sufficient amount of grains, so we never faced a problem. But in 1965 1966, when the revolution was brought in the existence, at that time there were so many problems our nation were facing, and Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri also contributed well at that time, and also gave a good slogan just like Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. So these were something which really comes as a outcome of the problems, and these were the solutions that MS Swaminathan did. Generally, in our society, in procession, in religious work, in any function, generally it happens that we make the food excessively and we just try to destroy all those things. For example, if there is a need of only 5 kg of food, so we make 6 kg or 7 kg, and to 1 kg or 2 kg completely useless, which is not good things, and we throw away that thing. So this is completely disrespect of the food and grains, and I think this is also great disrespect of the farmers who are doing hard work in the field. So we should not do this, because in the hostels, in the work, in the functions, generally it happens. So we should try to make good calculation, and according to that we should try to make the food, so that all can enjoy the foods and we can save the food, because there are so many people who are really if you go foreign nations or in our nation as well, there are so many poor people who are really facing problems because of lack of food. They are not getting all these things, and we are misusing all these foods. So this is not good things, and we really should appreciate the people who have done so much great job for our nation, to make our nation to avail these foods and grains in sufficient amount. Today I want to say something about the farmers, and as they have contributed and they have adopted the every suggestion of the scientist and farmer scientist. I would say that agriculture scientist. For example, if you go in the life of try to understand the life of many farmers, you would get to know that they have really done hard work, and they do hard work in the morning time. They wake up at the 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. and they do hard work up to 6 or 7 p.m. and then they eat the food and sleep. So this is the I would say the timetable of the farmers, but they really do much more hard work. If you go in their life, you will find that they do hard work. They are just working here and there, and sometimes they also face the problems like their lack of water, and because of that they face problems of irrigation, sometimes seeds problem. They are not getting good quality of seeds. Sometimes a lot of problems to just sell their whatever said to sell their grains in market, and they are not getting the right price. So these are the problems that our farmers are facing, and sometimes government takes a good action to solve this problem, but generally it happens now in our nation. There is one problem, that is corruption, and there are so many mid person, I would say broker type of person. They generally take the benefits of these farmers, and farmers generally lost their benefits, so which is completely bad things. But in this time there is a need of solid administrator which can take action against this type of people who are oppressing the farmers and not and avoiding them to get the benefit. So this is action should be taken, and I would say that definitely the farmers and the scientists who are doing in this agriculture field, they really have done good job, and because of those people we are today having so many good things, and we are not facing any problems, not problems. So this is the huge contribution of those people who have done really great job, and MS Swaminathan was one of them. I really salute MS Swaminathan. Thank you so much.